so much for coming, guys, and yes, all the way from New York, from York, from all the way from the other side of the city. What's the song? Nanonood ko na sa... Sige. This is my first... I'm not quite familiar with her song, you know, from the UK, and then... She's American pala.
You have that sleep. What? You have that sleep.
So, check paduol na ko. Come near me a bit, huh? Watch out for ka. Gagapusin. Yes, what about? Thank you so much. One more time. It's not the pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me.
Yeah, this picture, son.
It's just the nearness
The picture.
of you. Is it your sweet conversation that brings the sensation? Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. And you're in my arms, and I feel you so close to me. All my wildest dreams come true. I need no soft light to enchant me. If you want the right, want you ever so tight, and you feeling like the nearness of you. Live. Okay. Would you like to sing with me? Anyone would like to sing with me? A song that you know, and then I know as well, and then you know. How? Okay. This is a forget. This is a sing along. Okay. Well, I could sing alone. I could sing alone. Okay. It's all about like the 19 forgotten period. Take a seat. And last, my love has called on. My lonely days are over. dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found the real and speak to, a thrill that I never known. Yeah, you smile, you smile. Move away to the spell's cast, and here we are in heaven. 'Cause you are all right, 2-minute request. And just if you have a request, just put that in an envelope and then put something in there. Okay. Because we are actually paying as well this band here at the back. Okay. Right, next song, please. There's a request now. I hope I love this one. I just hope. I'm hoping to love. What is this? Tagalog song. I can't do Tagalog. Do you do Tagalog song? All right, hang on. Which one do we do Tagalog song? Okay. Backhead. Is that? Blowing. What blowing? Wait. Blowjob. What's that? What kind of song is that? Jesus Christ. Okay. Blowjob. Hang on. Who wrote that one? You know. Oh, you're kind of used to that. Okay. Blue Bayou. Okay. Go. Blue Bayut. Mo blue ni yun yan ang bayutan eh. Taas kini kita ha. Dali, sagit mo ka. Ipatawa ng lyrics dahil kinibutan yung tagyaday. I'm kind of blind. I can't even see like from this end. Okay, I just need to peek a bit. Can you hear from the back? Thank you so much. Why do you speak that way? What is that? What English? Huh? What is that? Rick, that's creepy. You're creepy. So bad, got a word with mine. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou. Blue. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier time on the Blue Bayou.